So today I will be conducting a workshop on exam date stress. Today we'll be learning to how to stay calm, focused, confident for your upcoming exams. Raise your hand if you feel stressed during your exams or when your exams are near.
I'm about if there are many chapters and I have not done a single of it, but I can understand. But there is very less time at that part.
Oh, all right, all right. Exam stress in a simple layman's term is like your brain trying to protect yourself, and it's completely normal feeling before exams. Think of your brain like a traffic signal. Green light means your brain is calm and it works its best. Like when green signal is there in your brain, it works its best. But when yellow light is there, your brain is on alert and it is ready to study. And if suppose it is on red, your brain is on red color, it means it is in panic mode and it will start blocking all the memory that you have, and you will panic and you will freeze sometimes. You should start this 25-5 rule. Now, doing these things like sleep, water, eating and physical activity, it will boost your brain, it will boost your memory skills. Change your thoughts from negative thoughts to positive thoughts. Make sure you give 5 to 10 minutes to calm your mind. Today we will do balloon breathing. So balloon breathing is basically breathing through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Do this 3-4 times. So this activity, it tells your brain that you are safe here. So you have to do this 3 things together. Alright? Shrug your shoulders, clench your fist and tighten your toes. Are you ready? So now you have to write one exam worry and one action to overcome that worry. Keep this card in your bag, or you can keep this card near your study table. So you will be. So again, we will be doing another activity for 2 minutes. Let your shoulders relax. Keep your eyes closed. Now, breathe in through your nose. Slowly open your eyes, students. Whenever you feel negativity is coming over, you are under stress, you need to say these positive affirmations.